What's up, my friend? I want to tell you 5 different factors that make up your personal credit score. So number 3 is going to be your length of history. That's going to be how old your cards are as an average altogether. So let's say you have a 1-year-old account and you have a 2-month-old account. They're going to say your highest card is 1 year old, your lowest card is 2 years old. But the average of that is going to be the 1-year-old account plus the 2-year-old account divided by 2 because it's 2 accounts, and that's going to be your average. That average, you really want that to be around 2 years to 4 years. You don't really want to have it too low. You want to have it around that age because that's going to make you look a little more lendable. Now, if you have a whole bunch of brand new accounts, then it's going to make you look bad because your length of credit is not really as big. So it only accounts for about 15% of your score, so it's not really that much, but it does count a lot when it comes to getting funding. Banks and lenders really want to see you over like 2 years old as your average age of credit. You can also go out and get trade lines. There are some accounts that you can get that can boost up that length of age. If you're interested in something like that, comment below and I'll send you a list of positive accounts that I recommend everyone adds to their personal credit. I use them for myself as well. There are some accounts that can help you out.